Good morning po ulit. Welcome back sa aking channel. So, for today, ang didiscuss naman natin is about factors and multiples. So again, bago tayo magsimula, iniimbitahan ko kayo na mag-comment para sa gusto nyong topic na ma-discuss dito sa page natin. And kung meron kayong gustong math problem na bigyan ng solution, so lagay nyo lang sa ating comment section. Let's proceed. So, first, i-define muna natin kung ano ang factors at kung ano multiple. So, factors are two or more numbers that, when multiplied, will produce a new number. So, dalawa o higit pang number na pag minultiply natin ay kapag-produce ng bagong number. How about multiple? A multiple is a number that can be divided into another number without a remainder. So, isang number siya na pwede mong i-divide sa iba pang number at na ang resulta ay walang remainder or buong number siya. So, example tayo. So, example, 8 and times 5 is equal to 40. So, yung ating 8 and 5, yun ang ating factors. While yung 40, yun yung tinatawag nating multiple. So, ibig sabihin, 8 and 5 is a factor of 40 and 40 is a multiple of 8 and 5. So another example, determine the multiples of a certain number. For example, what is the multiples of 6? So ano daw yung mga multiple ng 6? Sabihin, maghahanap tayong number na pag i-divide mo sa 6, walang remainder. So ang answer natin is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, and so on. Again, how about naman pag factors? For example, what are the factors of 42? So, sagot natin, the factors of 42 can be 2 and 21, 3 and 14, 6 and 7, or it can be 2, 3, and 7 kung gusto natin kunin yung pinaka-prime factor ng 42. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag minultiply natin yung magkakapares na numbers, ang resulta niyan ay 42. So, nabanggit ko na rin yung prime factor. So, pupunta naman tayo sa prime factorization. So, ano ba yung prime factorization? This is the process of determining the prime factors of a certain number. So, ito daw yung pagkuha ng mga prime factor ng isang number. So, ano ba yung prime number? It is a number that are not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. So, ano yung mga example natin dyan? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. So, marami yan, mga prime numbers na yan. So, paano ginagawa ang prime factorization? So, let's have an example. So, determine the prime factors of this number, which is 72. So, 72, ang gagawin natin, hahanap tayo ng numbers na pwedeng i-divide sa 72. So, pwede tayo magsimula sa isang prime number na agad. Ano yung pinakamaliit na prime number na pwedeng i-divide sa 72? So, 2. Pag dinivide natin sa 72 by 2, makukuha natin is 36. So, 2 times 36, 72 yan. Since ang 2 ay hindi na pwedeng kuhanan ng prime factors, pupunta tayo sa pangalawang number natin, yung 36. Again, ano yung pinakamaliit na prime factor na pwede natin i-divide ang 36? So, again, 2 ulit. And ang kapartner niya or yung kanyang yung cofactor niya is 18. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung 2 multiply by 18 is equal to 36. So, yung 2 dito ay hindi na pwedeng i-divide kasi siya na nga yung pinakamaliit na factor. So, pupunta tayo kay 18. Ano again, ang pinakamaliit na factor na pwedeng i-divide kay 18? Again, 2 ulit. And ang kapartner niya doon ay 9. So, since yung 2 ay hindi na ulit pwedeng i-factor, pupunta tayo kay 9. Ano yung pinakamaliit na factor na pwede natin i-divide ang 9? So, 3. And ang 9 ay result ng 3 times 3. So, kukunin natin yung mga prime factors na na-extract natin dito sa numbers natin, which is 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3. So, ang prime factorization ng 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 raised to the third power multiplied by 3 raised to the second power. So, ganyan ang prime factorization. So, let's have another example. Kanina, ang kinuha nating factors, ang isa doon ay prime. So, hindi naman, okay din naman yun kahit hindi prime agad ang ating kunin. So, example dito, determine the prime factors of the number 48. So, kinuha natin example, 4 and 12. Since 4 times 12 is equals to 48. So, ang 4 ay hindi pa prime number kasi isa pa siyang composite. Ibig sabihin, meron pa tayong number na pwede pag-dividean na 4. Ano yun? Yung 2 times 2. So, punta naman tayo kay 12. Anong number ang pwede nating kuning factors ng 12? So, pwedeng 3 times 4. So, yung 3, wala na tayong pwedeng pag-dividean sa kanya. But yung 4, again, meron pa uli. So, meron tayo 2 times 2. So, again, kukunin natin yung mga prime factors na na-extract natin. So, those are 2, 2, 3, 2, and 2. So, therefore, ang prime factorization ng 48 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 raised to the 4th power times 3. So, another topic na pumapasok sa factors and multiple is yung greatest common factor or the GCF and the least common multiple of the LCM. So, ano muna ba yun? I-identify muna natin kung ano sila. So, the GCF is the largest possible factor identical to 2 or more numbers. While the LCM or the least common multiple is the smallest possible multiple identical to 2 or more numbers. So, paano natin kinukuha yun? Let's have an example. Identify the greatest common factor of the GCF of 54 and 36. So, anong una natin gagawin? I-rewrite natin yung dalawang number, which is 54 and 36. Then, determine a common factor ng dalawang number na to. So, we can start with 2, or pwede kayo magsimula sa ibang number na mas mataas na to, basta factor ng 54 and 36. So, dito, sisimulan ko siya sa 2. Ang sunod nating step is, i-divide natin yung dalawang number natin dun sa factor na pinili natin. So, 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27, while 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. So, titingnan natin kung may common pa ba sa factor na yan. So, meron pa naman. So, pipiliin natin sunod ng factor is 3. Kasi pwedeng i-divide ang 27 and 18 by 3. So, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9, and 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So, may pareho pa bang factor na matatagpuan sa 9 and 6? So, mayroon pa, which is 3. Again, so 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, while 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, sa 3 and 2, wala na tayong common factor na pwedeng makuha. So, ang kukunin natin ngayong numbers para ma-identify ang ating GCF ay yung ating nasa left side na number. Ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin sila tatlo. So, 2 times 3 times 3 is 18. Ibig sabihin, the greatest common factor of 54 and 36 is 18. How about naman sa pagkuha ng LCM or the least common multiple? We're going to use the same numbers, 50 and 36. So, same step lang ang gagawin natin, 54 and 36. So, start ulit tayo kay 2. So, 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Then, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, ano naman ang difference niya sa GCF? Sa pagkuha ng LCM, pati yung nasa babang number, i-multiply natin. So, ibig sabihin ang ating LCM is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 is equal to 108. So, ibig sabihin, ang LCM ng 54 at 36 ay 108. So, i-summarize natin ang ating naging process. So, sa pagkuha ng GCF, ang pipiliin lang natin is yung nasa left side ng ating ladder. So, I just call it a ladder kasi mukha naman siyang hagdan. While sa pagkuha ng LCM, bukod doon sa nasa left side natin, o sa nasa left side ng ating ladder, pati yung nasa babang number or yung pinaka-final number kasama sa pagkuha ng LCM. So, ganun po ang process ng pagkuha ng GCF and LCM. Another example for the LCM. Identify the LCM ng 108 and 144 and 216. So, same process. Let's rewrite the number. Identify a common factor. So, hindi naman necessarily kailangan nyo magsimula sa 2, no? Pwede kayo magsimula sa ibang number na gusto nyo. Kung sigurado naman kayo na factor talaga ito, yung tatlong number, pwede kayo mag-start sa 6, halimbawa, kasi ang 6 ay factor ng tatlong number na ito. Pero, ang gagawin natin, step by step, kukunin natin yung pinaka-prime factor niya. But again, wala namang problema kung hindi prime factor ang kunin nating factor para sa mga to. So, 108 divided by 2 is equal to 54. 144 divided by 2 is equal to 72. 216 divided by 2 is equal to 108. So, let's continue the process. Para dito sa example na to, gagamit ako ng 3. So, 54 divided by 3 is equal to 18. 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. 108 divided by 3 is equal to 36. So again, identify another common factor. So 3, 18 divided by 3 will be 6. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. Identify another common factor. It can be 2. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala nang common factor kung silang tatlo ang titingnan natin. But, if we look at 3 and 6, meron niyang common factor, which is 3. So, i-divide natin yung dalawang number na yon sa na-identify natin na common factor. So, ano yon? Yung 3. How about yung 4? So, yung 4 as is muna siya. Diyan muna siya, hindi natin siya gagalawin. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 4, i-drop lang muna natin siya sa baba. While yung 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, again, wala nang common factor kung buong tatlo. But again, yung 4 and 2 ay may common factor pa, which is 2. So, di-divide natin yung 4 and 2 by 2. How about yung 1? Dahil yan ay pinakamababang number, so wala nang factor yan. Again, idadrop lang din natin siya. So, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, sa pagkuha ng LCM, again, kukunin natin yung nasa left side ng ating ladder and yung nasa baba. So, that numbers are 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 2. So, hindi na natin consider yung 1 kasi any number multiply by 1, same lang ang ating makukuha result. So, ang ating LCM, 2 times 2, times 2, times 2, times 3, times 3, times 3, or 432. So, hindi porke wala ng common factor sa isang set ng number, mag-i-stop na tayo. So, in terms of LCM, i-continue natin kapag dalawa or merong at least dalawa na may common factor pa. Okay? While sa GCF, once na wala ng common factor, stop na tayo. Okay? Let's have an example. I suggest, i-pause muna natin para makapag-practice tayo magsagot. So, for this example, the prime factorization of 96 is what? Okay, let's answer. To sa 96, ang factors niya, it can be 2 and 48. Yung 2, again, wala na siyang factor. So, punta tayo kay 48. Ang factor ng 48 can be 2 and 24. So, si 24 can be factorized as 2 and 12. 12 can be factored as 2 and 6. 6 can be factored as 2 and 3. Since lahat yan ay mga prime numbers na, so ang answer natin, ang prime factorization ng 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Or 2 raised to the p power times 3. Another example, determine the LCM of 14 and 21. So what's your answer? Let's continue para makuha natin ang ating answer. So LCM, 14, ang factor na pinili natin is 7. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So i-multiply natin yung tatlong number na yon. So 7 times 2 times 3 is equal to 42. Another example, determine the GCF of 81 and 108. Again, let's pause para makapag-solve muna. Now, continue. Ano ang ating answer? So, ang kanyang GCF. So, determine a common factor. So, 81. Ang pinakamababang number na pwede natin divide dyan will be 3. So, 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. 108 divided by 3 is equal to 36. So, 27 and 36 have a common factor of 3. So, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. Again, 9 and 12 have a common factor with 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So, yung 3 and 4, wala na siyang common factor. So, dahil GCF ang hinahanap natin, yung mga nasa left side na number lang ang ating kailangan. So, 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So, 27 is the GCF of 81 and 108. So, that's all for this video. Sana may natutunan kayo and see you soon.